Let me start by telling you that these soups are nasty. Disgusting, you don't want to taste any of them. Now that we've gotten your appetite out of the way, let me also tell you that these 3 soups are not the same. They look the same, yeah, they kind of smell the same, sure, but the ingredients are not the same. And in order to fix each pot, I can't just put a blanket treatment on all of them. I would need to know what each pot contains so I know how to undo each addition. Because we didn't get here by accident. These soups didn't just happen to turn out wrong. No, the ingredients in and of themselves created the problem. Let's look at one of them, for example. The classic Femicide Soup. Tastes nasty, but for some reason is a family favorite in many Kenyan homes. To begin, we shall marinate the victim in fear and societal shame. Ensure it gets everywhere. Really get into those crevices. Then leave it to marinate for as much time as you have. It's not like anyone's going to interfere. We can then get started on our base ingredients. You're going to need 1 cup of toxic masculinity, finely ground, a 1/4 cup of manipulation, a handful or more of normalized misogyny, this is readily available, a drizzle of relax, you're overreacting, some entitlement, and your ever-dependable sprigs of boys will be boys. Since we're looking for maximum flavor, simmer these in a culture that excuses aggressors and add the rest of your ingredients. 1 broken justice system for flavor, 3 cloves of impunity. Oh, those were a bit more than 3, but what are you going to do, report me? Lol. 2 cups of victim blaming, a handful of silenced voices, some police negligence to taste, a few slices of the law. Roll these out until paper thin and then patch any holes that emerge with empty reforms. A pinch of public outrage and then garnish with ladies msiende parties na Airbnbs so that they don't notice the rot underneath. Now, this step is crucial, so pay attention. It looks like it's about to boil over, yeah? Ignore the warning signs, so when it does happen, we can act surprised and wonder how we got here. Then serve cold, because justice is always delayed, if it comes at all. Now, back to our murder buffet. Does it taste just as nasty as the other soups? Yeah, sure. But as much as the fruits are similar, the roots aren't. And until we uproot it from its foundations, expose the patterns, and break them, we run the risk of having the mass murder of women being treated, well, just as it has been getting treated, with indifference. Labeling it and criminalizing it is a critical step in recognizing, tracking, addressing, and ultimately preventing the systemic killing of women and girls.